Hi, my name is Bob Koch, and I have been a salesman with Fairchild Equipment for 21 years. My responsibilities these days are specific large accounts, particularly those using large trucks, such as this tire handler here. And I cover all parts of the state. When I'm not busy selling forklifts, what I enjoy doing is spending time with my grandsons and also as a volunteer for Wings of the North Aviation Museum. We are dedicated to the preservation of the history of aviation, and occasionally I get a chance for a backseat ride in a World War II warbird, which is a lot of fun. One little piece of advice I would give to any customer these days is to make sure that you work closely with your maintenance technician and stay on top of doing basic maintenance. In the days of inflationary pricing on equipment and long lead times, maintaining the equipment you have in proper working condition is a key to a most efficient material handling operation.